spinning in circles isn't just a dance. For centuries, Sufi whirling has used this simple motion to lift hearts and minds into a realm of spiritual ecstasy and divine connection. Today, we'll uncover the fascinating origins of Sufi whirling, the science behind how movement like dance can shift our minds, and how you can try this meditative spin for yourself without getting dizzy. Get ready to see how a simple turn can lead to profound inner stillness, and why this mesmerizing ancient practice continues to stir souls worldwide, perhaps even awakening your own. So, how did spinning in circles become such a powerful spiritual practice? Let's trace these steps back to their origins. Sufis are Islamic mystics who focus on nurturing a personal, heart-centered connection with the divine. Rather than just following external forms of religion, they aim to experience a deeper, direct sense of spiritual union. This devotion often takes the shape of poetry, music, and, yes, dance. The whirling dance started as a form of meditation, a dynamic way to forge a deeper connection with the divine through movement. The specific whirling practice we see today comes from the Mevlevi order, founded by the followers of the 13th century poet and mystic Jalal ad-Din Rumi. According to a cherished legend, Rumi was so inspired by the rhythmic hammering of a goldsmith's shop that he began spinning right there in the street, completely absorbed in the moment. While we can't confirm every detail of that story, we do know that his deep love for music, poetry, and motion formed the basis of the whirling ceremony, known as the Sama. Rumi is said to have told his followers, "There are countless paths to God. I have embraced the path of dance and music." Rumi would fast, meditate, and then dance, using movement as a pathway to reach a unique state of spiritual enlightenment. The whirling dance of Sufi dervishes is a profound spiritual practice, rich in symbolism. Each movement reflects a deeper truth. The spinning represents the soul's journey toward the divine, echoing the cosmic order as planets orbit the sun. The dancers, often called whirling dervishes, wear white robes to signify shedding the ego, while their tall hats symbolize the tombstone of worldly attachments. Their gestures embody balance. One hand faces upward to receive heavenly blessings, while the other points downward to share these gifts with the world, uniting the spiritual and physical. The dance begins with arms crossed over the chest, symbolizing divine unity. As they unfold and spin, it represents love, expanding to all creation. Even the dance floor holds meaning, often divided into sections symbolizing stages of the spiritual path. For Sufis, each spin helps silence the outside world, letting the dancer slip into a meditative trance. It's as if every rotation peels back another layer of thought, guiding them toward a feeling of oneness with the divine. Have you ever felt that moment of pure connection, where the world seems to pause? That's what many describe during these graceful spins. Despite being rooted in Islamic mysticism, this entrancing ritual has attracted people worldwide from all walks of life. There's a universal pull in these graceful turns that seems to dissolve barriers and draw participants into a shared sense of awe. Many people find the whirling dance deeply moving, even if they aren't religious. Just watching its graceful rhythm can bring a sense of peace and inspiration, reminding us of the beauty in letting go and simply flowing with the moment. This idea of dance leading to a higher state isn't unique to Sufism. Across Africa, trance dances use repetitive beats and movements to help people connect with the spiritual realm. In some Native American rituals, rhythmic steps and drumming create a similar path to altered states of consciousness. No matter the culture, the idea is the same: using the body's natural motion to transcend everyday worries and open the door to something sacred. So we can see that a lot of people believe in the power of Sufi whirling, but what does science say? Is there any research to back it up? While ancient wisdom spoke in the language of spirit, modern science now reveals the tangible effects behind those swirling motions. A notable meta-analysis by Koch and colleagues published in Frontiers in Psychology, 2019, found that dance movement therapy decreases depression and anxiety and increases quality of life and interpersonal and cognitive skills. While it doesn't specifically mention Sufi whirling, these findings suggest that rhythmic motion, such as spinning, can help our bodies release feel-good chemicals like endorphins and dopamine. These natural boosters often go hand in hand with a calmer mind and a more centered state of being. And if you've ever lost yourself in a steady rhythm, whether it's dancing or drumming, you might have experienced that almost trance-like focus. Some studies on movement-based meditation suggest that repetitive motion can settle the nervous system, leading to shifts in brainwave activity from the fast-paced beta frequency to more relaxed alpha or even theta waves. In essence, science is catching up with what many spiritual traditions have hinted at for centuries. There's a profound link between the body and mind, and certain kinds of intentional movement, like whirling, can open doors to deeper self-awareness and emotional balance. But you might be wondering, how can I incorporate the power of Sufi dancing in my life and get those benefits? We'll show you exactly how in a minute. But before we move on, if you're enjoying this journey into the heart of Sufi whirling, hit subscribe for more soul-stirring insights, and share this video with anyone who might be curious about the transformative power of movement. And now, it's time for you to experience these benefits firsthand, even if you've never tried spinning before. If you're feeling inspired to try whirling for yourself, it's best to start slowly and safely. First, find an open space free of furniture or tripping hazards. Soft music can set the perfect mood for your whirling practice. Ideally, something with a steady, gentle rhythm. For a more traditional vibe, try Ademus by Carl Jenkins, or if you prefer a modern trance-style track, Sunset Lover by Petite Biscuit is a great choice. Both are available on Spotify, and we've linked them in the description for easy access. Now, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, letting your arms relax at your sides. Begin by turning in a small circle, choosing whichever direction feels natural. Some people like to pick a spot on the floor or a distant point to maintain balance. As you spin, gently raise your arms, one hand facing up and the other facing down, mirroring the traditional stance. As you begin your first spin, notice how the floor feels under your feet, and let that sensation ground you in the present. You might experience a subtle shift in your awareness, a tingling calm that grows each time you revolve. This is your body's way of finding its own center. If you notice any dizziness, pause for a moment and take a few deep breaths before continuing. Remember, your safety comes first. Take it slow and listen to your body. If full whirling seems too intense, you can explore a simpler dance meditation. Choose a slower track, close your eyes, and sway or move any way that feels right. The goal is to let the motion quiet the mind rather than perfecting any specific technique. Above all, remember there's no rush. Even a few moments of mindful spinning or gentle movement can create a sense of grounding and peace. Rumi would fast before engaging in moving meditation like dancing, using it as a way to prepare for this sacred practice. If you're curious about how fasting can deepen your spiritual practice, check out our next video on the transformative power of spiritual fasting. It's the perfect next step in your journey.